हेलो एवरीवन, होप सब बढ़िया होंगे। तो आजकल एआई का बहुत बज़ में है एंड सब डरे हुए हैं कि एआई कैन डू एनीथिंग, सो इट कैन आल्सो रिप्लेस ह्यूमन जॉब्स टू। And according to a report by Goldman Sachs, AI could replace the equivalent of 300 million full-time jobs. But worry not every job, because it is found that AI could only replace jobs which have repetitive tasks and technical skills involved, जैसे कि entry-level coding, accounting, data analysis and और भी. But the jobs which require human emotions and managerial skills are found to be AI immune right now. तो आज की इस वीडियो में वी विल टेल यू 5 ऐसे जॉब्स जो AI रिप्लेस नहीं कर सकता for now. Let's move on to our first job, therapist or psychologist. As we said, human emotions, right? And you already know how a therapist should have a great understanding of human psyche in order to provide a solution to their client. You can have a robot that can do maths really fast, but it will not know how to talk to you or understand what emotions you're feeling. Not as of now. And the best part about therapists is that they know each person is unique, so they treat everyone in their own special way. So even if we integrate robotics and AI together and create a human-like robot therapist, when it will say, I can understand, it must have been hard for you, it will never give that comfort that a real therapist can provide. Let's move on to our second job, managers and CEOs. It's about managing the team and not just managing the data कि AI से करवा लेंगे. और quick and effective decision making तो managers का middle name है. But you might say कि यार AI तो previous data को analyze करके error free decision लेगा. तो my friends, it's not always about taking the right decision, but also about going out of the way and taking risks. तभी businesses get successful. And most importantly, communication वाला factor. They are not managers because they only manage things, but they also keep their team motivated. So think about that, where AI will stand in that position. Let's move on to our third job, event planners. Event plan करना है, AI का खेल नहीं है bro. As I said, work should not be repeatable. Think of it from the point of pitching the theme of the event to the point of feedback collection. Is it the current job apt for AI? नहीं ना, because so much goes into this career. First, creativity to create the theme. Second, communication to connect with everyone. Third, dealing with pressure. And fourth, maintaining good relations with everyone. And say, कभी अगर event में कोई crisis आ जाए, तो एक good planner knows how to tackle the crisis. अब AI को कुछ पता ही नहीं होगा अगर उस crisis के बारे में, so how it will react to it? Scientists कौन होते हैं? Layman terms में समझाएं तो the one who discovers new things. And यही सबसे बड़ी contradiction है AI के लिए, that it cannot do anything more than generate data out of the information it was given before. And वहीं पर scientists come in. They do new researches and discover new things like new materials, theories, medicines and viruses. फिर they come to a conclusion, whereas AI is incapable of doing this. Now let's move on to the fifth job option, teaching sector. हाँ, I know you will say I get all my answers using AI. So सब teachers की job तो सबसे ज़्यादा खतरे में है. But wait, I have 2 things to say in this. Firstly, your initial education. Just imagine you learning your morals from an AI robot. How would that have turned out? It wouldn't have been good because initial teaching always needs a human touch. Secondly, the higher education. अगर आप चैट जीपीटी से पूछोगे कि 2+2 क्या होता है, it will say 4. But when we ask the concept of relativity or the string theory, it can't explain you well as a professor would do, because it can only be done with expertise and years of knowledge. So yeah, these are the 5 job options which are AI immune and can hardly get affected by AI. But let us tell you one more thing. For now, jobs are not going to vanish. मतलब copywriters and designers जैसों की job खत्म नहीं हो जाएंगी, because these professionals do their work while keeping their emotions of the consumers in mind. मतलब उनका triggering point क्या होगा और what kind of emotion they want to evoke with their copy or design. और ये सिर्फ humans ही कर सकते हैं. लास्ट में आपको एक AI से इम्यून होने का मंत्र बताऊं? Work on your skills and have this much flexibility so that you can work in multiple domains. So yeah, this was it for today's video. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to like, share and hit that subscribe button below. Until next time, I dream career.